My name is Arkadiusz Grzech. Today we're in the western part of Pomerania on the fields of the Agro-War Warszyn farm, and we are here to talk about the HORSCH Maestro. We farm about 1,700 hectares. 2 years ago, we decided to buy a HORSCH Maestro, mainly for sowing maize and sugar beet. We used the Maestro in combination with the HORSCH Focus. We went for this solution for several, mainly economic reasons. As we can carry out tillage and fertilizer placement as well as sowing in one pass, we can save time, labor and fuel. Another important aspect is the deep placement of fertilizer. We can apply it in two ways. One part is placed at a depth of 20 centimeters at the tillage tines, and the remainder is sown with the Maestro together with the seed. Another reason for buying such a machine and combining it with a Focus was that we did not want to carry out any further passes on the field, as it often is the case with other machines where, for example, a large and heavy tractor on twin tires compacts the previously cultivated soil. Not on our fields. The soil is cultivated and we sow immediately. After that, we only drive in the tram lines and apply fertilizer or crop care agents. It depends on the existing technology. Another asset of this technology is that the soil does not dry up but remains wet. It is possible to apply fertilizer, bacteria, etc. before sowing. Superficial mixing, a maximum of 8 to 5 centimeters, is completely sufficient. And we then drive on this finely cultivated field with a Focus. Thus, we save water, as the humidity from the depth is taken to the top and the seed is placed in wet soil. My summary: there are a lot of good reasons to go for this machine.